If you're encountering the card not supported message on Apple Pay, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check card compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Update your device. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is running the latest version of iOS or watchOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update to check for updates and install if necessary. Step 3. Remove and re-add the card. Go to the Wallet app, select the card that is giving you trouble, and remove it. After that, re-add the card by tapping the plus sign and following the prompts. Step 4. Check region settings. Ensure that your device's region settings are correct. Go to Settings, General Language and Region and confirm that your region is set to where your card is issued. Step 5. Contact your bank. If the problem persists, reach out to your bank or card issuer. They may have specific restrictions or issues that need to be resolved on their end. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the card not supported issue on Apple Pay quickly. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from Apple support.